In this tutorial, I will show you that how can fix cannot continue installation because another Roblox player installer is running. So let's dive right in. So from your desktop, if Roblox is opened, you can simply close it by just right click on this icon from taskbar and close window from here. Then click on this search and search for run. You can open it and here you can type this percentage local app data percentage and click OK. Scroll it down. You will find here this Roblox. Open it and open its versions. Here it will show you folder. You can see here date modified. You have to open latest folder. So in my case, it's showing me only one folder. So I will open it and here you can see that Roblox player launcher. Double click on that. It will start connecting to Roblox. And after configuring, you will see here Roblox is successfully installed. Click OK and click on this search and search for run. Open it, type here percentage local app data percentage. Click OK and scroll it down. Here you will see this Roblox. Select it and simply delete it from here. Click on that and it will start deleting. You can close it and again click on this search and search for run. Then type percentage temp percentage and click OK. Scroll down and here you will get this Roblox folder. Select it and delete it from here. Close it and again click on this search and search for control panel. And then you need to open it and open program from here. Scroll it down. Here you will get this Roblox player. You can select it and simply uninstall from here. Click yes. After uninstalling this, open Google and search for Roblox. It will take you to this official website. After signing in to your Roblox account, you can open any of the game and if you try to play it, it will show you here open URL Roblox protocol. Click on that and here it will give you option to download and install the latest version of Roblox. Click on that and it will start downloading. Then again search for Roblox player and open it. And here it is. So that's how you can fix cannot continue installation because another Roblox player installer is running in just few easy steps.